everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on jackfruit. Jackfruit is a large tropical fruit with a spiky green outer skin. It is the largest tea-borne fruit in the world, sometimes weighing up to 80 pounds. The inside of a jackfruit is filled with sweet yellow bulbs of fruit. Each yellow bulb contains a seed that can be cooked and eaten. Jackfruit grows on tall trees in warm climates like India and Southeast Asia. When ripe, jackfruit has a sweet taste similar to a mix of banana and pineapple. Unripe jackfruit can be cooked and used in savory dishes, often as a meat substitute. It is very nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Jackfruit is known for its unique and strong smell when it's ripe. In some cultures, jackfruit is called the king of fruits because of its size and delicious taste. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.